fake news. In this era of relatively ungoverned social media, a multitude of online news channels and sponsored stories, exposure to fake news has become an everyday occurrence. The two categories of fake news are untrue stories which are intentionally published to influence your thoughts and decisions, visit particular websites which could be fraudulent or feature content you would not normally wish to see, make you believe something false or buy certain products or services. 2. Stories which are only partially true, such as reporting a factual event but misreporting some of the circumstances or facts around it, such as motives and quotes. This type of fake news is designed to spread the ideologies and views of the individual or organisation originating it, influencing its readers. Alternatively, some fake news originates purely through urban myths or Chinese whispers, and because many people tend not to check the source of online content before they share it, it can go viral very quickly. Some people also deliberately claim that factually accurate news is actually fake news, because they either do not agree with it or dislike it. How to differentiate between real and fake news. Ask yourself if this would actually happen. Approach what you read or hear rationally, questioning why would it have been written. Whether it's attempting to change your viewpoint, sell you something, redirect you to another website, or simply shock you. Is anybody else reporting the same story? Check to see if reputable news feeds and websites such as the BBC, ITN or Sky News have also covered the news you have just seen. Research the source. Find out more about the publisher. For example, whether it is a reputed, normally reliable source or a personal blog of an individual. See if you can find out unbiased reviews of the source. Check facts. Authentic news is often backed up by official data, surveys, and previous similar instances of the occurrence being reported. Often, it is quite clear that the news is anecdotal or simply fabricated. Check images. Photos or illustrations accompanying fake news are often retouched to reinforce the story, and often this is not done very well. Also, perform a Google reverse image search to see if the image has been stolen from another source. Use your instincts. Remember, if something sounds too strange or unreal or weird to be true, it often is. As with other fake news issues, the impact of COVID-19 has seen a rise in conspiracy theories relating to it. As with all other news and information, you should use the techniques we've just outlined to separate fact from fiction. If you are concerned you are seeing signs of extremism developing in a friend or a member of your family, you can find out more information from the Let's Talk About It initiative at www.ltai.info. And remember, if in doubt, talk to a member of staff at the college.
Right, that's it. You've made it to the end of the video. I commend you for getting this far, but I want to let you know that the help doesn't just stop there. Our IT services department are here to help at any time, and our learning support team are ready to listen to your concerns. Just ask a member of staff on campus or check the student web for more information.
Go to my.rhacc.ac.uk and choose the IT help desk in the top right-hand corner.
Thank you.